I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you questions from a test paper. This is question number 5 and we'll discuss this question in further details. You can pause the video, copy the question. We are given a vector C which is mn1 and is perpendicular to two vectors A and B. You need to find the value of m and n. So you can look into the solution from this. I'll provide you with alternate way of finding the cross product in my video, right? So I'll provide you an alternate way of finding cross product using matrix. So let's look into the solution. So the question is, if C is perpendicular to both A and B, find m and n. Vector C is m and 1, A is 5, 1, minus 2, B is 3, minus 3, 6. We are given C is perpendicular to both A and B. That means we should find cross product of both A and B, right? So we are interested in finding A cross B, right? So cross product of these two vectors. As you have already seen the solution from the test paper, I'll provide you with an alternate way of finding cross product. So vectors are 5, 1, minus 2, B is 3, minus 3, 6. So when we do cross product, we could use the method of matrix. So we write I, J, K, right? And vector A is 5, 1, minus 2, B is 3, minus 3, 6, right? We can write this as I, determinant this, which is 1 times 6 minus product of these two, which is 6 itself, minus the unit vector j now, and for j we'll do 5 times 6, which is 30. Note this is negative here, minus 3 times minus 2, which is minus 6. Minus or minus 6 becomes plus 6, plus k. So this sign alternates plus minus as the matrix move on, and for k we hide this row and column. We are left with 5 times minus 3, which is minus 15, and then minus 3 minus 1. So minus 3 minus 1 is 3. So that is what we get. You could now solve this as 0i, right? And as far as j is concerned, it is minus 36j, and the k value is minus 18k. Now what you are given here is the vector C is actually equals to m, n, and 1. What you get here is we can rewrite this as 0 minus 36 minus 18. Now in the same ratio we should actually divide this by minus 18. So we could write this vector as equal to, so let me rewrite this as equal to dividing by minus 18, or you can factor minus 18 out. You get 0, and then you get 2 here and 1 here. Now you can compare the coefficients, correct? So that gives you m as equals to 0, n as equals to 2. So that is how you can find the solution of this particular question, right? Do the cross product the way you have learned, and then find the answer by the following steps. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.